What is good, my YouTube followers and all YouTubers alike? It is your girl Tanisha, aka She's a Model. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this look and all the trial and error that I went into achieving this look. So if you want a look like this, something nice, cute, and bouncy, make sure you guys keep watching this video because I'm going to give you guys a rundown on how to achieve this look on your locks. I just want to let you guys know this is short locks and long locks friendly. So make sure you guys stay tuned so that you guys can see exactly how I did this. All right, let's get into the video. All right, so I have this side already done because yeah, I didn't want to take 20 minutes to show you guys how I do this. So I have this side already completed. I picked these up on a Temu. Check out my Temu video. I will leave that one down below on where I picked these products up. Well, obviously, like I said, on Temu, but I will leave it down below to show you guys that I picked it up from Temu. I paid really cheap for this compared to what it would be on Amazon. So I advise you to go on Temu and purchase these, all right? So I picked up a whole bunch of them. I think it came like with a whole bunch of them actually. And so I'm gonna show you guys how I did this. I have these ones open, but I kind of want to put these ones in the back because these ones are pretty slim. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one because this one is like second to biggest from these. So I'm going to open this one, and I'm going to put this one in the front of my hair. I hate using my teeth to open things, but we got to do what we got to do. So we got this one open. It has a little, let's see if it's going to focus. Okay, you see that, guys? It has a little string. So I'm just gonna start to put it into my hair. So I like to use more than one lock because, child, like I said, I purchased a few. So I wanna make sure we have enough to fit this head. So I'm kinda gonna, see if I can show you guys. I'm gonna roll this. Ooh. That was a longer one, so I kind of want to roll that one first. So I'm doing it backwards as opposed to forward, so you guys can see that. I'm rolling it. Just like that. Rolling it up. Rolling it up, rolling it up. Squinch that up. See, and there you have it. Nice and into the hair. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side. Since these are pretty thin, I can do a few more. I'm gonna take the rod, and like I mentioned, we're gonna do a flip. So since I have some that's bigger, like this one is the longest one, so I'm just gonna wrap this one first, and I'm gonna take the other ones and add it on. So I'm just rolling it. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm not doing it forward, I'm doing it over, okay? So we're rolling it over. Rolling it over, rolling it over. And then we're just gonna take the hair and clip. This is like my first time doing this, so I'm not quite sure if it should actually be extra tight. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other ones. We're gonna take, I would say roughly 4 locks is probably like the best idea, depending on how thick your locks are. As you guys can see, I have some that are thinner than others, so it all depends. So we're just gonna take it and do the same roly-poly-oly.
Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it felt like this. Been a while since it felt
have the completed flexi rod application. I don't know if you guys can tell, but some in the back are not as tight as I want them to be, like period. Like this is very, very loose. I know a lot of the girlies mentioned sleeping with it. We'll see how it looks after I'm done. Maybe it might be like a little curl on the bottom because I don't have it as tight. But I just hope that this works out. If it doesn't give what it gives, I might still post it so you guys can let me know if it's giving what it's giving. But so yeah, it's done. It wasn't really too hard to do. Mind you, I don't know if I did it right. If it comes out looking good, then you know I did it right. But it was fairly easy to rod into my locks. Just use a regular spray bottle to wet it. I got makeup on, so I gotta be careful not getting my freaking makeup wet as well in the browser. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead in with the mousse. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do this, so maybe I might put some into my hand. I'm just gonna add it onto the lock, something like that. I'm gonna do that to each lock, just so that it can set. It's gonna set it in to the lock. Child, I don't know if this is gonna speed up the process, but we trying, okay? We trying. It might ruin it. You never know. But isn't it kind of satisfying, like putting foam in your ear? Like, I don't know, maybe this one. I'm just gonna keep pouring it. Make sure it's evenly spread out in the back. Just dab her in. So that's gonna give it like that nice sticky texture, so that when I go take it out, it'll be nice. All right, you guys, so it is a new day. I was like, you know what, let me just wait for a day, let it simmer in my hair to make sure that it's like marinated in my hair. So I waited for the next day. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now. This is a whole 24 hours. I slept, I literally worked all day, so I had it in my head like literally the whole day. So we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. All right, keep it in there, and you're just gonna take them out like that, just one by one. I'm really interested to see if this actually works. So we're just holding it, keeping it like that. I'm just gonna take them all out. Alright, so I put the baby hairs in the front, and it's looking a lot more neater, a lot more cuter. I don't know, baby hairs just do something. It looks so good, you guys. No, I think this is gonna be my birthday style hair. Like, this is really gonna be my birthday style hair. Like, I'm bringing these flexi rods with me. They are so cute. I love it. Love it. Like, you guys, if you guys have any like pointers on how to make it a little bit more tighter, let me know in the comments. But I really love this sleek back look. So cute, so neat. The curls are so bouncy, you guys. Look at that. Just bouncy. I'm really curious to see how long this is going to last. Hopefully it lasts a long time. If not, I can always redo it. Even though it was a pain to sleep with them, hopefully I could just rock it for one whole day as opposed to rocking it overnight, you know what I mean? So the curls stay in my hair. thank you guys again so much for watching my videos. I am on the way to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys hit that follow button, because when you hit that follow button, you are going to be entered into a giveaway. So just subscribe, you guys. I am so in love with these curls. Like, I can't. And it's crazy because I feel like it's a whole new set of hair. Like, it just looks so good and full, bouncy. I love it so much. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching. Hope you have a blessed day or night whenever it is you guys are watching this. I love you guys. Until next time, peace.
Been a while since you felt like this.